Welcome back. Lakshmikant Parsekar asked the government to clear its stand on CRZ issue. Environment Minister Alex Sequeira informed that Centre would be requested for necessary amendments in the CRZ notification. Sequeira said that State Environment Ministry would not leave any stone unturned to save the structures of traditional coastal dwellings.
I beg to call the attention of Minister for Environment to the following matter of urgent public importance. The fear and anxiety in the minds of the people residing in the coastal areas due to large number of demolition notices issued by various village panchayats for violation of CRZ rules as per the dictates of High Court and the measures adopted by the government to protect the interests of traditional dwellers.
So far, the identified illegal structures total 163 in South Goa and 325 in North Goa district. These structures have been identified and declared by the village panchayats as illegal, for which the Honorable High Court has directed demolition. The government will try to ensure that residential structures of traditional inhabitants and fishermen in these areas are not removed. The government has again reiterated its request to the Ministry of Environment and Forests to consider amending the CRZ notification 1991 as proposed above. We now look forward to the MOEF taking necessary steps to grant the desired relief to the structures of the traditional occupants on our coastal stretches.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with video journalist Ganesh Otkar with sub-editor Paresh Parab for Prudent Media.
The issue of irregularities in NREGA rocked the assembly. Here is how opposition caught Churchill on the wrong foot regarding proper implementation of the scheme.
Total जे applicant आशिले ते 328 आणि ज्यांका तो रोजगार मेळ्ळा अशे लोक 64 म्हणजे अजूनही 264 लोकांक जेणे अप्लाय केला ताका एम्प्लॉयमेंट मेळपा जाय 264 लोकांक तू केन्ना दितलो
सरपंचान ते काम दिवपाक जाय सरपंचान आनी आमी सरपंचाक सगळ्यांक सांगलां कितले पयशे जाय तुमी येवन व्हरा काम दिया पूण सरपंच तरी जेन्ना एक्टींग कोना तर म्हाका तूं सांग आतां कोण येवन काम केलें ना तें
पण 30 दिसा भितर तूं काम दिलें ना तांकां कंपल्सरी पयशे दिवचे पडटा ते दी मरे तांकां गॅरंटी स्कीम दॅट इज अ लॉ
लोकांक तरी एम्प्लॉयमेंट मागना जाल्यार हांव कितें एम्प्लॉयमेंट दितलो म्हाका सांग तेमी हालीं रजिस्टर केला पूण एम्प्लॉयमेंट काम मागना म्हाका कितें करून दिवपाचें तें ना 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 बसून पयशे दिवपाक जायना
स्किमीन तशीच
ना ना बसून पयशे दिवपाक
वन्स यू आर रजिस्टर्ड इफ यू कांट गिव हिम वर्क यू हॅव टू पे हिम
म्हाका खबर आहा पूण हे बिश्टे तरी हो घरा बसून रावल्यार पयशे दित रावल्यार सगळेंतले जावन
तशें न्ही तेणी एप्लाय केल्या न्ही हांव एक वर्सा गजाल उलयतां एप्लाय केल्या तेणी म्हणून तांकां मेळपाक जाय
एप्लाय केला पूण काम करपाचो ना तो पयशे दिवपाचे
बेश्टे न्ही काम दिया तांकां
ही पळय स्कीम पळय आख्खे गोंयांत पळय आतां इतली फामाद जाल्या आनी इतले पळय काम करता पण काम करता पयशे मेळटा पूण काम करनासतना बेश्टे पयशे दिवपा बसून
तूं काम दियात
काम दिल्या पास कोण ते येना काम करपाक खाली रजिस्टर करून तयार आहा म्हणजे ते तूं सांगता रे सारकें आहा म्हणजे हे ना जाल्यार पयशे मेळटलेच तशें करून पयशे दिवपा जाय
रे थोडे जाण येतात ते तशे पयशे घेवन मागीर सांजचे खातीर वचपाक
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with video journalist Ganesh Otkar with sub-editor Paresh Parab for Prudent Media.
Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar highlighted the inadequate and improper answers placed by the government in the State Assembly. He said that such attitude from the concerned MLAs and ministers is a breach of privilege. Dayanand Narvekar also seconded Parrikar's point and expressed displeasure over the short assembly sessions.
गव्हर्मेंट म्हणून एक रिप्लाय मेळ्ळा हातून गेल्या असेंब्लीक अशे 3 रिप्लाय जाल्ले तातूंत उत्तर कितें दिलां तें हांव तुमकां वाचून दाखयता मागीर तुमी लक्षांत येतलें हांव कितें म्हणून सोदता तें द रिप्लाय इज सर डिटेल्स आर बीइंग कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द डिपार्टमेंट्स द सेम वील बी प्लेस्ड ऑन द टेबल ऑफ द हावस ऑन इट्स रिसिप्ट दीस कॅनॉट बी रिप्लाय रिप्लाय either he postpones it or he places everything. If it is big, place it on the table of the house. The reply cannot say that when it is received, I will place it on the table of the house. This is by this is question of Sri Dayanand Narvekar actually. तो कसो एसन मातसो डीम जाला.
Such questions you should not admit.
So this cannot be replied.
Such answers should not be admitted. You correct the question.
What is happening with the short session is it looks like everybody is taking things for granted. I also read that answer yesterday. the reply will be placed shortly before the house. What does it mean? Is the government taking assembly for the ride, or is somebody taking us for ride? खूप डीम पडला मानली काय भियो नका माझे
पडला म्हणना
काळजी लागली तुका म्हणून बरेच
टीम पडला म्हणना
चान्सूच ना हांगा येवन कितें करपाचें आमी बसपाचें सयो मारपाचें आनी वचपाचें 3 दिसाच्या असेंब्लीन काय उलोवंकूच जायना आज कितें टायम मेळटलो तो टायम कितलो तुमी दितले तेजेर आमचें सगळें अवलंबून
A senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with video journalist Ganesh Otkar with sub-editor Paresh Parab for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.